New year, new EDC video. Whenever I'm on the go, I have to bring a few things with me to make it easier to get things done or to pass the time. It doesn't really matter if I'm having a productive day or a chill day, I gotta bring these things with me. From a knife to a wallet to a gaming console, these things just make my life a bit easier. This is my EDC 2023. I've been looking for an EDC bag for some time now, so I'm very happy that the Ridge reached out to me and they agreed to send me over this bag. So I'm gonna talk about what I carry inside the bag if I'm gonna do a quick errand, which I'm doing today. Now, one thing that I definitely like about this bag is that it has a lot of pockets, like more than I use on a regular day-to-day use. It's always better to have more things than less. So let's get into the first pocket here. I just keep a microfiber cloth in here for cleaning all of my tech stuff. Yeah, I just like to keep one in there just in case I have to wipe down some tech that I'm gonna film. At the top, there's nothing in that pocket either. Now, what I do like about this bag is that it can be opened in two different ways. So obviously you can open it up like this, but what I like about this bag is that you can also open it like this. So if you have it on a flat surface like I do now, you can kind of just open it up and kind of see what's inside. So of course there are a few pockets here. The first thing that I have here are my AirPods Pro. These are the AirPods Pro. These are the second generation AirPods Pro, which sound amazing. I really like these over the first one because the noise cancellation is pretty crazy. But not only that, I actually like the changes to the case. I think that alone makes it worth it because I'm somebody that loses all of my stuff quite easily. So I like that on the AirPods Pro too. You can use the Find My features and easily like hone in on the location and find it. Having that ability definitely saved these AirPods a couple times from being lost wherever lost things go. AirPods Pro 2. In this pocket here, I have some like random pens that I have. It's always good to keep a pen on you. You never know when you got to sign a multi-million-dollar contract. I'm just kidding. Here in this pocket, I have a knife. I don't think it's an EDC video if you don't have a knife. This one I got by Canadian Tire. It's by Gerber. I don't think it's the same brand as like the baby foods. I hope not. Now, having an EDC knife is definitely important because there are a lot of times where you need to open boxes and it's just hard to do sometimes. So to do that, you easily have a knife, and this one is a really nice knife, I'd say. It's nice, it's sharp, and you can't really push it down, so there's a safety element. So yeah, I like the way it looks. One day a Tesla's gonna look like this. Watch. In this pocket here, I have a Nintendo Switch. Usually do not play games. I'm not like a huge gamer at all, but I do have a Nintendo Switch, which I had never played since May until recently because of the holidays. I was with the family and we were playing a lot of Smash Bros. Bring the Nintendo Switch with me because it just provides a lot of entertainment. And yeah, I think I just lost to Yoshi, so yeah. Getting into over here, this is where I have my chargers. This is a Ugreen Nexo charger. I generally like this charger because it has two USB-C ports and one USB-A. If I go out and need to charge my iPhone, my Switch, or whatever else, like cameras, whatever I need to charge, I can just use one charger. It means that I could carry less inside the bag. And yeah, I like this one. It's a 65-watt charger. It has these foldable prongs, making it a lot more compact. And yeah, that's for when I need to plug into a wall. But depending on where I go, right, like let's say I'm going to like a hotel or something, then I carry around this charger, which is one from a brand named Ampere. I like this charger because let's say I'm at a desk and I want to charge up my AirPods, my iPhone, and even my Apple Watch, because this one here can charge your Apple Watch. And I like it's foldable, super compact. And yeah, this is definitely a must-have, which by the way, I have everything that I mentioned in the video in the links in the description. So go ahead and support the channel, pick up one of these and everything else that I mentioned in the video. And then this pocket here is just a basic tripod from Manfrotto. It's just small and means that if I'm carrying around like my Sony ZV-1 or something like that, then I can easily put it on and get to vlogging and get some content going. So I definitely like to keep this with me just in case in the pocket. This is a USB-C to USB-C charger. Again, this one would be from Ugreen. You need USB-C in 2023. I don't mean to rhyme, but it's just that time. No, I'm sorry. The Ugreen charger is definitely a must-have. I have to keep a USB-C to lightning cable. This is Apple's version of it, and I keep it around so I can charge my iPhone. I keep my MacBook Pro in this pocket here. It's very nice material. I don't think it's suede or anything like that, but I have the 14-inch MacBook Pro, which I like to carry around and obviously get work done whenever I'm on the go. If I'm in a coffee shop or working with a client or anything like that, then I'm gonna be using the 2021 M1 Pro MacBook Pro. Go ahead, put away the bag, and I'll just talk about what is in my pockets and other random things. So now in terms of phones, the phone that I am rocking is the iPhone 14 Pro. I got it in the space black version. Really love the color. This is the phone that I'm using. It definitely has an amazing camera for sure, and the display is really good as well. But yeah, calls, texts, emailing, getting things done, all done on this phone. I'm not really using those key organizers, so I am gonna be a jingle person. Again, as I'm somebody that loses things all the time, I have to keep my AirTags on it so I can use my AirTags and find my keys quite easily. Now, in terms of my wallet, I'm using a Louis Vuitton card holder. This has been in a couple of my EDC videos. I generally like this card holder, can hold up to like 5 to 6 cards if you push it. Really, you're comfortable around 4. But yeah, I'm not somebody that carries around a lot of cards. I think I've had it now for 2 years, and honestly, it looks pretty new. Like the way that the leather has held up is really good, and it's not like the wallet or the card carrier for everybody, but I really like it, and I'm gonna keep using it for as long as I can. So yeah, Louis Vuitton card carrier. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, do me a favor, make sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. I'm kind of changing the way I'm doing videos for the new year. So if you like this style, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, can you still say Happy New Year? Yeah, I think we can. So Happy New Year, everybody. Peace.